Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by verifying whether the phone still thinks headphones are connected. Restart the phone to reset temporary headphone detection flags and clear minor glitches. Plug and unplug wired headphones 3 times while the screen is on. Test a different pair of headphones to isolate hardware issues. Also test Bluetooth audio to confirm whether the issue is only wired. If the icon disappears after restart or testing, the problem was a transient detection error. Next, focus on software settings and cache data that affect audio. Clear the cache of audio-related apps like phone and music from Settings App Info. Wipe the system cache partition if your Infinix model supports it in recovery mode. Check developer options and disable any headphone routing toggles if you enabled them previously. Update Android system and audio apps to the latest version to ensure bug fixes. Reboot the phone after each change to confirm whether the headset icon clears. If software steps fail, inspect the physical audio jack and port for debris. Power off and use compressed air or a wooden toothpick carefully to remove lint and dust. Inspect the charging port and headphone plug for corrosion. Boot the phone into safe mode to rule out third-party apps causing persistent headphone detection. If the icon remains, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If problems persist after reset, seek professional repair or replace the audio jack assembly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.